How's it going, everyone? Aaron here from Ultra RC Hobbies. We got the brand spanking new Traxxas TRX4 Sport High Trail Edition. So, including all of the other high trails, they finally released a Traxxas Sport. So, it's looking like these are going to come in some pretty sweet colors here in Canada right off the bat. So, they're going to be available in this awesome metallic red, just like the K5 Blazer, or this sweet metallic blue. So the one we got here looks to be a metallic blue. There's also a gray, like stone gray, with fluorescent green rings and some other accessories coming later on in probably a couple months to here in Canada. So first things first, this is going to be a 2.2-inch wheel and tire truck. It's also going to have 100mm shocks on it, just like all the other high trails, and the long arm kit, not the standard 90mm. Continuing with all of the regular TRX4 Sport stuff, you're going to have a single-speed transmission and non-locking, unlocking diffs. These ones will just have a solid locker inside of them. So, getting into unboxing this brand new truck. So, first things first, we get the standard Traxxas TQ, not the TQI. So with this, you're not going to get your toggle for the 2-speed or your locking, unlocking diffs. This will be the standard non-Bluetooth module controller as well. These ones will take 4 AA's just on the bottom to power them up, and a slide door there. So nothing too crazy, pretty basic in that sense. Moving on to what else is inside this here. So typical with Traxxas, you're going to get a 1.5, a 2 and a 2mm ball Allen key. You're going to get a 4-way wrench so you can actually take the wheels off and do other things like that. These are going to be if you want to make the fenders black instead of color matched. On the back side of this, you're going to get a quick start guide, and then there is going to be a exploded view manual in there as well. So pulling out the brand new TRX4 Sport High Trail Edition. So like I said, right off the bat, you can tell the fenders themselves are going to be color matched in this sweet metallic blue. This almost looks identical to the TRX4 F-150 Ranger High Trail. So as you can tell, really big and beefy look to it. Some new wheels and tires to kind of match the body. These ones are also going to be clipless body mount design. So no body clips like the previous TRX4 Sports. Let's peel the wrapping off here and check out what this body looks like. Even with the wrapping on, you can tell how much metallic is actually in this color, and it looks pretty darn spectacular. Traxxas really doesn't want us to unbox this here. Okay, there we go. So, just like that. There you go, that is that new high metallic blue pearl. So with this shell, you're also going to get the full adventure rack. So you're going to get your jerry cans, you're going to get some shovels on the inside, a fire extinguisher, and then you're also going to get the traction boards as well. You're going to get mirrors, snorkel, all of that good stuff. They also have the ability to have light bars put into them, and there's 4 pod lights you can put on this expedition rack as well. Traxxas is including the grill that's hard plastic, as well as the tail lights and headlight options. So if you wanted to put lights into this, you're kind of one step closer to doing that. Inside of here, just like all the other clipless body mounts, you're gonna get your little thumb clips per corner and some extra structure for holding on the adventure rack and all of that good stuff. So moving on to the truck, after checking out that sweet body, like I said, you're gonna get 2.2-inch wheels and tires now with these ones. They do look like beadlocks. They are sadly fake beadlocks, and you are having a glue-on wheel and tire for those. If you look at the ring though, they are a metallic blue, and the red ones are metallic red as well. So they do match the actual kind of look of the truck. Like I said, 100mm shocks instead of your standard 90s. Everything else is virtually the same as all the other sports. So you are getting the XL5 HV, so 2 or 3S capable on that. Multiple different crawl style modes you can put in there for drag brake. Traxxas connector. You're getting a Titan 21 reversed 550 brushed motor in there as well. You're gonna get the waterproof receiver box and the standard TQ receiver in there as well. On the bottom side of the truck, you're gonna see a steel servo horn, 25 spline, attached to a Metal Gear waterproof Traxxas 2075X steering servo. So with these trucks, you're gonna get portals, like I said, everything TRX4 is gonna be there, just single speed transmission, and you're going to get 100% locked diffs. So no locking, unlocking. If you wanted to do that, you totally can do that, and maybe change the radio to the stock Traxxas one if you want to go to the TQI 5-channel, or go to something different, Spectrum, FlySky, Futaba, whatever you want to do, definitely an option. The locking, unlocking parts are pretty darn easy, a little bit expensive. A lot of people though go with the 2-speed mod, and Traxxas sells a full kit to do 2-speed. And then we'll post that 2-speed conversion down in the comment section below with the part number. So the other things that do change on this truck are going to be obviously the new inner fenders for the clipless body mount designs. And these again are the narrow fenders, the 8080Rs. And then this also is coming with the ability to throw a battery up front with a Velcro strap mod if you want to go a really small, lightweight battery. Everything else battery tray wise is going to be the same. So it'll take a long, thin pack for 2 or 3S, and then the ability to throw a smaller pack underneath if you want to say power winch, servo, lights, anything like that. This will have the ability to throw the light kit in there as well for the TRX4 Sport. I will throw that part number down in the description as well, since the body does come with all that ability. So other than that, price point. So this is actually coming in at a pretty solid price point. The standard TRX4 Sport here in Canada is $509 plus tax. These new TRX4 Sport High Trails are going to come in at $599, which is a pretty solid price point in either the blue or the red. The gray, like I said, going to be a couple months out here in Canada. So a pretty solid price point for what you're getting with the Adventure Rack, with all of the other long arm kits. So not a bad price point. So here in Canada, they are going to start selling in store June 30th. So from this video, which is on the 21st, only about 9 days away, 8 days away. So make sure if you want one in red or blue, send us a message, give us a phone call. We'd be happy to get one on pre-order for you. So you are the first one to get the brand new TRX4 Sport High Trail. So thank you everyone so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. And if you have any questions, comments, check out the links down below for all the parts. Check out our new website, ultrachobbies.com. Live inventory tracking, exploded views, a lot of cool stuff going on over there. So if you haven't checked it out, go check it out. And yeah, thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notifications and when we have new unboxing videos, tech tips, things like that. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.